I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to go over choosing an affiliate funnel to promote. From your main dashboard, you need to come to Builderall Business and then Affiliate Funnels. And then you'll see all the funnels that are available for you to promote. And there's a ton of different ones that you can use, and there's more being added all the time. So some funnels are for promoting the tools, some funnels are for promoting to local businesses, some funnels are promoting the business opportunity, and however you want to promote Builderall, there should be a funnel for you. So make sure you take a look, and if you want to preview the funnel, you can simply click this button here to preview the funnel. If it's a more complicated funnel, you'll be able to click here to see exactly how the funnel works and how the funnel flow goes. Some funnels also have the audience that you should target with this funnel already filled out, so you don't have to do any more research before you start promoting. So if you know what your audience is, you can just grab a funnel and go. If you need to do some more research, then you can always view the funnel, go through the funnel yourself, and make up your mind yourself what the best funnel is for your audience. It's always a good idea to have a look at the funnel first, I think, and then you know the exact content that's in it before you share it with your audience. So as you can see here, there's funnels for beauty salon owners, for gym owners, personal trainers, for chiropractors, and all sorts of other niches. So once you've chosen an affiliate funnel that you want to promote, simply click in the box and it will automatically copy the link for you, ready to be pasted where you want to promote. So in this video, we went over choosing an affiliate funnel to promote.